The idea isn't new. In fact, Proposition 33 is similar to the voter-rejected Proposition 17 on the ballot 2 years ago. Essentially, people who've had car insurance continuously for 5 years can get a discount. People who've had an interruption in coverage would face much higher car insurance fees. Prop 33 adds some exceptions that include military, students, and children living with their parents. It's a message that supporters will put on televisions around the state.
Prop 33 would reduce insurance rates for all drivers by encouraging uninsured drivers to purchase insurance.
Consumers deserve a reward. Vote yes on Prop 33.
Rachel Hooper works for the Yes on 33 campaign. She says current law only allows the consumer's current insurers to offer a loyalty discount. She says Prop 33 makes the market more competitive by making a continuous coverage discount portable.
I have a colleague who has insurance with one carrier. He's had it for 20 years, and he wanted to go to a different carrier because he liked their customer service better. But when he called that new company, they said they couldn't match what he was currently paying. They couldn't match his rate because they can't give him that continuous coverage discount.
Prop 33 is the second try to create a new provision in California's car insurance marketplace. The owner of Mercury Insurance, a self-made billionaire, funded 2010's Prop 17, and he's a major supporter of Prop 33. George Joseph spent nearly $15 million then, and he put up another $8 million this time.
There's no secret that it's the personal funds of George Joseph, but I think he really values competition in the marketplace and sees that if Prop 33 passes, there's more competition. Again, it benefits consumers because with more competition, you have lower rates.
Voters just have to ask themselves one simple question.
Carmen Balber works with Consumer Watch, an advocacy group that's opposing Prop 33.
When is the last time an insurance company executive spent $8 million to save you money on your car insurance? Everyone knows the answer is never.
Her group is working with a fraction of the budget of her opponents. Instead of television spots, their ads are online only.
My name's Kyle. I'm a college student right now. I can't afford a car as of now, but even if I could, my school doesn't allow us to have them on campus.
Balder says she hopes voters see this as a retread of Prop 17. She says the measure isn't about loyalty discounts.
That discount won't change. Prop 33 creates a new one. It will give some people a small discount for having prior insurance and will give people who didn't have prior insurance an increase in their auto insurance rates.
Balber says the measure makes a major change to car insurance protections passed by voters 24 years ago. Proposition 103 was approved 3 years after California made car insurance coverage mandatory. It created consumer protections in a marketplace that required coverage.
Insurance companies can't charge you more just because you don't have current insurance, just because of your history of insurance coverage. Because that was a way for the insurance industry to redline out customers that they just didn't want to cover.
UC San Diego Professor Thad Kauser says he's not surprised to see the issue back in front of voters just 2 years after a similar bill failed to get support. That, he says, is how California's direct democracy system works. Money can and does buy ballot access.
What we've seen in the past, whether it's Pacific Gas and Electric's initiative that failed a few years ago, this other Mercury Insurance initiative, is that voters are often skeptical when there's one group behind this process that's supposed to be for us all.